So mana, I guess we're done na. No, we're done na. Di ba? So mga tata, kumusta ang feeling mga mo atong mga ambassador dahil from CS Cosmetics? So sa feeling you are part of the CS Cosmetics family.
Of course, I am very happy and blessed to report ko sa ilang company no as ambassadress. And then what I love about the CS Cosmetics is share lang kog brief ko about sa CS Cosmetics. Ang CS Cosmetics is all of their products are FDA approved. Mo na ako naganahan sa ilaha. So there's no worry to like mo use mo sa imong product kay safe ra gyud siya gamiton. And ang CS Cosmetics is not just about beauty but also ang ilang products is naay medicinal benefits, especially ang soaps nila. So ang soaps nila is maka-treat gyud siya og kanang different kind of skin disease or skin problems and also skin insecurities ninyo. So overall, I believe na ang products sa CS Cosmetics can truly boost anyone's confidence. Wow. So palit na mo.
Diba?
Click and buy.
Dapat sa bagong product karon yata.
Yeah.
And by January is mag-launching ang CS Cosmetics silang bagong product. So natay launching, grand launching sa to ang CS Cosmetics ng mga products sa Robinson's Place Ligan. This coming January. So makita-kita tana kay daghang kay tag mga bisita na mga bagita, mga vloggers no sa Mindanao. So makita-kita tana. Kay na si Rul Divina kay invite ni Ma'am Jama na.
Wow.
No? So nabot ito mga models, dayon, ay mga ambassadors sa CS Cosmetics. So ba ito mga vloggers no. And also ato mga mga sabante ni Ma'am no. Ang mga bibis ni Ma'am nga very effective.
Very active and
diba?
very proactive.
Ambassadress.
Si ko na po si Ella, si Miss Ella. Bagong
Bagong anak.
Wow. So one thing that I really love on CS Cosmetics is that as a beauty queen, grabe jud kayo ka-dry ang akong face after a lot of pictorials, a lot of makeup na ibutan sa mong face. And after using, one of my favorite is the glass serum, which is not just giving ka ng glass skin but malaitan jud niya imong mga pores, and beside of that ginahatagan jud niya og moisturize imong face. And beside of the glass serum, I also love the lotion which is SPF 50+++, and we know that in our weather right now grabe ka init and then muulan, and with that kay grabe niya not just dili lang siya SPF 15 but they also have niacinamide lotion, so mag plus 2 na siya sa Asaka lotion. Yeah, thank you, and I hope I see you at the Robinson's Place in January. Thank you so much.
So, mo to.
Sorry.